Yeah, 24 karat gold coming at you live. Man, these are some of the hardest working men in show business. These guys have been working. Oh, they've been working. Look at all that work. Working. That man and his buddy, they are getting it in. Two men putting up a fence. Oh, man. Working out there in that hot sun. Gee. Hope they're getting paid well. I hope so. Let me go over here and see some of the work they've done. Uh-huh. Yeah, they've been working hard. They've been doing it. Look at that. Man. Well, hey, now this is 24 karat gold. Signing off. Yeah.